So here we have the set of Taycan upgraded office chair caster wheels. Now these are supposed to be a pretty big upgrade from your standard plastic casters, so in this video I'm going to test that out. These seem to be pretty heavy duty wheels, and it says that all 5 of these combined can support up to 650 pounds. They have this really thick polyurethane wheel, a sturdy steel bracket, it also uses ball bearings for smoother operation and less noise, and then the connector on this is just your standard universal 7/16 inch plug. It'll fit pretty much any gaming or office chair, but it says it won't fit IKEA chairs. Of course, the installation of these is super simple. Just pop out the old casters and then pop in these new ones. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I first sat in this chair after I installed these, I was really surprised at how much better they were. They just make so much less noise and roll super nice. And to show you that, here's a quick comparison between these new casters and these slightly upgraded but still pretty standard casters that you're gonna find on most gaming or office chairs. And as you can probably hear, the new ones are much quieter, and it may be difficult to tell, but like I mentioned, they're also much easier to roll around and maneuver. So yeah, I'm actually really surprised at just how well these things perform. They're definitely going to be a huge upgrade from any set of casters that come with your office or gaming chair, and if you want to give your chair a bit of an upgrade, then these are definitely the way to go.